Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B. I was just reading the interview with Mark Cerny and who's the guy? The other guy was called Jim Ryan, the CEO of Sony Interactive Entertainment, of all people, discussing the PlayStation 5. And one of the things that I noticed a few people have been asking about is whether the PS5 will have a 4K Blu-ray drive. And it will, apparently. It's like an offhand single sentence. They didn't make a big deal about it. There was sort of more talking about the SSD and so on. And the DualShock 5, well, potentially the DualShock 5. But they also stated, when they were talking about installations of games, and they said either way, physical games for the PS5 will use 100 gigabyte optical discs inserted into an optical drive that doubles as a 4K Blu-ray player. So there you have it. The about time, really, but the new PS5 coming out next year at Christmas will have a 4K Blu-ray player built into it too. Never too late, kind of late, but better late than never. Let me know your thoughts. What else are you hoping to see from the PS5? Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to click the bell and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Thanks again. Take care. Bye-bye.